Aw, here's a little snack for you. Let's see, I have one for your friend, too, okay? Whoa, that was not yours. You have to share. As you could probably tell, we're talking about raccoons, and I want to admit, I think raccoons are really cool. Super cool. That's my opinion. So, you know I'm excited to teach you some things about these awesome creatures. Whoa, this raccoon is looking right at us. We're going to learn all about you. Wait, where are you going? All right. Raccoons are small mammals that usually have gray fur, except around their eyes. They have black fur around their eyes, which almost makes it look like they're wearing a black mask. They have whiskers, just like Mr. Whiskers. How you doing, Mr. Whiskers? And they have bushy tails. What do you notice about their tails? Yeah, their tails have these black rings on them. You're right. So raccoons are small mammals. Raccoons usually have gray fur. They have black fur around their eyes, which almost makes it look like they have a mask on. And raccoons have bushy tails with black rings on them. Raccoons are pretty easy to spot. Now, where in the world do raccoons live? Where can you see one? Raccoons mostly live in North America, especially in Mexico, the United States, and Canada. They can also be seen in Europe, parts of Asia, and other parts of the world, but they are originally from North America. Just don't expect to see one in Antarctica, okay? Even though it would be really cool if raccoons were able to hang out with penguins in Antarctica. At least I think so. It's just too cold there, though. Now, raccoons are able to live in lots of different places. They enjoy living in the forest, they can live near rivers, they can even live in cities and neighborhoods. In fact, you might see a raccoon near your home. But even if you don't see them, that doesn't mean raccoons don't live near you. See, raccoons are nocturnal. Do you know what the word nocturnal means? Nocturnal. Yeah. They are active at night and sleep during the day. Great. When I think of nocturnal animals, I think of bats and owls. They are nocturnal too. Raccoons are nocturnal animals, which means they are active at night and sleep during the day. Even though they're nocturnal, you can still see a raccoon during the day sometimes. But usually, raccoons sleep during the day and are awake at night. Hey, I just want to pause everything just for a moment here. Before we continue, I just want to put the word raccoon up here. I want to point something out to you real quick, okay? Notice the word raccoon has two C's, not just one. There are two C's in the word raccoon. If you were to write a letter to a raccoon, all right? Dear raccoon, just make sure there are two C's in the word raccoon. It's a common spelling mistake to put just one C in the word raccoon. And honestly, the raccoon might not know the difference, but it's nice to spell it correctly, you know? It's a good thing. It's good for all of us. All right, this next fact is one of my favorites because it has to do with baby raccoons. That's right, baby raccoons. Did you know a baby raccoon is called a kit? Yeah, a kit. Isn't that amazing? Aw, look at this little kit. It's similar to what we call baby cats, except it's shorter. A kitten, a kit. Mother raccoons usually have more than one kit at a time. Here are 4 little kits taking a nap together. Wow. They're pretty cute. Here's another interesting fact about raccoons. Raccoons are omnivores. Do you remember what that means? Omnivores. Omnivores eat plants and animals. Raccoons eat all sorts of things, which is what helps them live in so many different areas. Raccoons are omnivores. That means they eat plants and animals. Okay, here is the final raccoon fact for this video. Raccoons are great swimmers. Did you know that? They are tremendous swimmers. They can swim for a long time and can go as fast as 3 miles per hour. That's pretty interesting. Some people don't know that raccoons are good at swimming. It's like a raccoon secret. I mean, not for you, because, well, now you know. You know, they are great swimmers. Wow, you did such a wonderful job learning about raccoons with me. I hope you had a lot of fun. And if you ever see a raccoon out and about, you could say hello from a distance and could say, "Hey, I know a few things about you, raccoon. I hope you find all the food you want, and if you go swimming later, have an awesome time. Be safe, raccoon. Keep being cool." Thanks for learning about raccoons with me and for watching to the end. If you haven't subscribed yet and you enjoy my videos, take a moment and click that subscribe button for more content like this. Thank you to all of my patrons and thank you for watching. You are so awesome, and I'll see you next video. Wait, were you about to go swimming? How fun! Don't let me stop you, raccoon. This video's over. I'm gonna go find Mr. Whiskers, okay? Mr. Whiskers! Mr. Whiskers! Okay, I'm leaving, I promise. Okay, the video's over. Thank you, raccoon. Bye-bye.